Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we are in Alpena, Michigan, and we are going to see the Great Lakes Maritime Heritage Center. I am super excited to check this one out. I've seen a lot of good photos, so hopefully this one will be a really good, fun time. So stick around and see what we're going to see.
Is a big thunderstorm. You'll see lightning and thunder and people yelling pretty soon. They'll say, "We're taking on water."
Wow,
and
okay.
So you'll be on a real shipwreck.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Right on this boat. And when you're upstairs, though, you'll see a big display on the Cornelia B. She was a beautiful three-mast sailboat. And when they were building this museum, this boat is built in honor of Cornelia B. And it's a replica of the wooden schooner three-mast sail. So there's a little trivia for you.
Nice.
And then there's two levels here, bottom. Then get up a couple steps to the top. You can check out the captain's wheel. Go through that doorway that's cut in the wall.
Okay.
That'll take you the whole back end of the museum.
Okay.
We have a science sphere back there in its own room. So it's pretty self-directive back there.
Okay.
And then you'll be coming back this hallway here.
Okay.
And on your right will be artifacts room. So don't miss that. That's beautiful. And there's drawers underneath all the display cases. You can open all those drawers. There's more artifacts in there.
Awesome.
So a lot of people spend a lot of time in there. In the back right corner of our building, we have a movie theater.
Oh.
So movies are on a loop in there. One in particular is a good one to watch. There's a bunch of short videos.
Okay.
One's a 3-minute video. It's called Earth is Blue. So that's talking about outer space, looking down at the Earth, and with all our water,
I see.
we look very blue.
Yep.
So that's only 3 minutes. Just to
Okay.
give you an example.
Yeah.
The second one on that loop is called Tragedies in the Mist. And that's 25 minutes long. That's the longest one on there, but I would recommend, if you have 25 minutes, to watch that.
Okay.
And as I'm talking about it lately, I'm thinking that would be a great place to start even. Because it's usually a good place to end, but if you see that movie, you really get a feel for what we're trying to convey here.
Okay.
And talking about the sanctuary and out in the Thunder Bay with all the shipwrecks, and it's kind of like a graveyard. There's a lot of history there.
Yeah.
And so anyway, that might be a good place to start instead of here. If you started there, then just come back here and follow around.
Okay.
Okay? And we have popcorn, so if you end up in the movies,
We'll come and get our popcorn. Thank you so much. Did you need a spoon for your cereal today? How about grabbing that one? I don't think so. Very cool room. Check this out, guys. So we're actually on a replica of one of the shipwreck boats here. And I done forgot the name of it. I am so terrible at remembering the names of these. But they actually play them like lightning and thunder, and you can hear people say that they're taking on water. But the angles that they put this boat on when you're walking, I don't know if you can actually see it in the video, but look it's on a slope. It makes you really think when you're walking. It's pretty cool. Definitely a cool place to check out. And the staff here is really super friendly. for watching this video. And if you really enjoyed this one or are coming to visit Michigan, make sure that you check into this playlist right over here. And I have a bunch of state parks and different beautiful places to check out on the East Coast, the West Coast, in the UP, all over Michigan. I hope you enjoy them, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Safe travels, everyone.